Hi there. This is Alex, and welcome back to Lingora Daily English. Let me ask you something. Do you enjoy going to the supermarket? Is it quick and simple for you? Or do you sometimes feel a little lost, especially when everything is in English? Yeah, we've all been there. In today's episode, I'll take you with me on a little trip to the supermarket. We'll learn what to say, how to ask questions, and how to understand the answers too. So, ready? Let's go. Imagine this. It's Saturday morning. You walk into a big supermarket shopping basket in hand. The place is busy. Music is playing softly in the background. People are walking around, grabbing fruit reading labels, pushing carts. You pass a mountain of bananas and a sea of cereal boxes. You look at your shopping list. Bread. Got it. But then, you need toothpaste. You turn around. Look at the signs above each aisle, and you freeze. Where is the toothpaste? How do you ask that in English? You want to say something. You want to ask a worker, but suddenly your brain decides to go on vacation. You open your mouth, and nothing comes out. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. Well, not with toothpaste. Mine was peanut butter long story, but don't worry. In today's episode, I'll teach you the exact phrases you need so next time you can ask for anything, anywhere with confidence. So, ready to stop wandering in aisle 9? Let's fix that moment. All right, let's fix that moment. You need toothpaste, but you don't know what to say. No worries. Here's a simple phrase you can use. Say it slowly with me. Excuse me, where can I find the toothpaste? Nice job. Let's say it again a little faster. Excuse me, where can I find the toothpaste? Great, you're sounding more confident already. Let's try with a different item. This time, bread. Say it with me. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Good. That was clear and polite. Now let's do one more, eggs. Say, excuse me, where can I find the eggs? Perfect. You've just learned a powerful phrase. It's short, polite, and it works almost anywhere. And by the way, please don't shout, "Hey, you, where's the bread?" No, we're here to learn English, not to scare the workers. Okay, now let's imagine this. You've just asked, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?" And the store worker smiles and says, "Aisle 5 next to the milk." What's an aisle? Let me explain. An aisle is a row in the supermarket, like a line of shelves. Each one usually has a number above 1, 2, 3, and so on. So when they say aisle 5, they mean go to row number 5. Let's say that together, aisle 5. Good. Now, try the full sentence. It's in aisle 5. Great. Now, sometimes they'll give you a bit more information, like next to the milk. That just means look near the milk. Say it with me. Next to the milk. Awesome. Now let's put it all together. Repeat this sentence. It's in aisle 5, next to the milk. Beautiful. You understood the answer and you repeated it with confidence. That's real communication. And you did it. All right, one last thing before we check out. What if you didn't understand the worker? Maybe they spoke too fast, maybe there was too much noise, or maybe your brain just went blank again. That's okay. It happens to everyone, even native speakers. Here's what you can say. Sorry, could you say that again? Say it slowly with me. Sorry, could you say that again? Nice. Let's try it one more time, a little faster. Sorry, could you say that again? That's it. Now you've learned how to ask for help. Understand the answer, and respond politely if you don't catch it. That's a real skill. Next time you go shopping, you won't just buy bread and milk. You'll use English. Real English in real life. Take a deep breath. Smile and say, "Excuse me, where can I find the toothpaste?" Boom. English in action. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Lingora. We have more real stories, more phrases, and more confidence waiting for you. In the next episode, I'm Alex. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time and take care.